Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best disco ball lamps that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the sound-activated party lights with remote control. The sound-activated party lights come with 3 sound-activated modes, 7 lighting modes, and rotating speed control. The disco ball light is easy to choose solid colors or multicolored by the handy remote. It is perfect for various occasions, such as birthday parties, weddings, Christmas, and more. The LED stage light can be easily installed on the wall or ceiling, and it also makes a great gift for kids. You will receive 1x disco ball light, 1x remote control, and 1 IEX user guide. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Party Lights DJ Disco Ball Strobe Light. Neekware's 3-pack party lights are perfect for any occasion, with 7 lighting modes, sound activation, and adjustable flash and rotating speed. These colorful lights are easy to use and come with a remote control and long cord. The durable design ensures perfect performance, making them great for parties, dances, weddings, and more. With 3 lights, you can create a lively rock atmosphere, and the satisfaction guarantee ensures customer satisfaction. At number 3, we have the sound-activated party lights. The sound-activated party lights with remote control. DJ lighting are perfect for adding disco lighting to your home or party. With 3 sound-activated modes, 7 lighting modes, and rotating speed control, you can easily choose single or multicolor combinations using the handy remote control. These LED stage lights can be placed on a desk or installed on a wall or ceiling, making them versatile for any occasion. The package includes 2 disco ball lights, 2 remote controls, and a user guide, making it a great gift for kids or a useful addition to your party decor. At number 2, we have the Luditek 3-pack sound-activated party lights. Luditek party lights are perfect for creating an immersive party experience. With sound-activated functionality and adjustable rotating speed, the lights sync with music, enhancing the rhythm and vibe of your gatherings. The multifaceted lighting patterns offer 7 different options, allowing you to customize the ambiance to suit any occasion. Their compact and versatile design offers easy installation options, making them suitable for various spaces. Additionally, these lights make for a perfect gift idea, bringing joy and excitement to celebrations and gift exchanges alike. And finally, at number 1, we have the Luditek sound-activated party lights. Luditek party lights offer 3 sound-activated modes, 7 lighting modes, and rotating speed control, making them perfect for various occasions. The bright disco lighting allows you to choose single colors or multicolor combinations using the remote control. They are ideal for birthday parties, dance parties, weddings, and more. These LED stage lights are easy to set up on your desk or mount on walls or ceilings. With 4 disco ball lights and remote controls included, they bring convenience and fun to your events. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.